Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best places to visit in Malaysia. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the Malaysia places to visit. Also post your favorite places to visit in Malaysia in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Malaysia is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Southeast Asia, and if you're looking forward to visit Malaysia in near future but confused about what are the best places to go in Malaysia, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding what are the must-visit places in Malaysia. Malaysia is a multicultural country with much to offer visitors regardless of their budget or what their idea of fun might be. Kuala Lumpur, the country's capital, is a cosmopolitan city with amazing shopping and stunning architecture within blocks. You'll find both the ultra-modern Petronas towers and a number of colonial palaces and buildings. Just a short drive away from the capital, there are plenty of things to do, from islands, mountains, and record-breaking caves, to countless temples and a unique chance to explore the fauna-rich jungle of Borneo. Malaysia is also a popular destination for snorkeling and scuba diving, with beautiful coral reefs and soft sandy beaches that regularly make top destinations lists. Top 5 best places to visit in Malaysia. Here are some of the most popular and exciting tourist places in Malaysia that you must include on your Malaysia tour. Number 1 on the list of best places to visit in Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. You'll most likely fly into Kuala Lumpur when traveling to Malaysia, so this one's a no-brainer. But unlike some other big cities in Asia where travelers arrive and get out of town as soon as possible, Kuala Lumpur is a worthwhile destination of its own. The mix of Malay, Chinese, and Indian influence means you'll have no shortage of culinary exploits in Malaysia's capital city. The cultural diversity is a big part of Kuala Lumpur's allure. Take a short walk or jump on the extensive train network and you can see the delights of numerous cultures. Kuala Lumpur has no shortage of unique neighborhoods to explore. Interesting sites such as the Petronas Towers, the Perhentian Botanical Garden, and the Menara KL Tower provide plenty of enjoyable distractions before you head farther afield in Malaysia. Number 2 on the list of best places to visit in Malaysia is Penang. Malaysians are proud of their big island on the west coast, and they should be. The colonial city of Georgetown was made a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has plenty to offer in the way of museums, a seaside fort, historic homes, and most importantly, a famous street food scene. Numerous artists have left their marks in the form of murals along the streets of Georgetown. Cafes, shops, and things to do can be found dotted throughout. Penang is considered one of the best places in Southeast Asia to sample delicious street food of all types. The waterfront esplanade known as Gurney Drive in Penang is lined with stalls and eateries for trying local Malay, Chinese, and Indian treats, among others. Number 3 on the list of best places to visit in Malaysia is the Perhentian Islands. Backpackers and budget travelers love Malaysia's Perhentian Islands, especially Perhentian Kecil, the smaller of the two islands, where fine sand and excellent snorkeling/diving fill the day before parties start at night. Nearby Perhentian Besar, the big island, caters more to families, couples, and travelers who are willing to spend more to enjoy the blue water and skip some of the partying. Regardless of the island you choose, getting to the Perhentians requires taking a speedboat. There are a few challenges for setting up shop on the islands. Number 4 on the list of best places to visit in Malaysia is Mount Kinabalu, Sabah. At just over 4,000 meters high, Mount Kinabalu is the tallest mountain in Malaysia. The mountain is part of Kinabalu Park, one of the oldest national parks in Malaysia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Because of its unique ecosystem mixing alpine meadows, grasslands, and shrublands, Kinabalu is home to an impressive range of both plant and animal species, including the threatened orangutans. Mount Kinabalu is a major destination for climbers, but summiting here can be tricky. Only 185 climb permits are issued daily by the park, and visitors must make accommodation reservations and hire a mountain guide in advance in order to be allowed to hit the trails. Although people under 16 are allowed to join climbing groups, there are restrictions in place. Number 5 on the list of best places to visit in Malaysia is the Perhentian Islands. Once a stopping point used by traders traveling around Southeast Asia, this group of small islands is part of a marine park and has become a major tourist destination in northeastern Malaysia. Most of the islands can be accessed by either ferry or small motorized boats, although only the 2 larger islands offer accommodations, shops, and amenities. Of these 2, Pulau Perhentian Besar has more of a backpacking scene, while Pulau Perhentian Kecil is a little more upscale and family-oriented. Scuba diving, snorkeling, and kayaking are popular activities here, but visitors can also volunteer in turtle conservation programs and get unique access to the areas where turtles come to lay eggs. So, which is your favorite place among the best places to visit in Malaysia? Malaysia has a lot of beauty, diversity, and adventure on offer, as showcased by these tempting top destinations. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite places to visit in Malaysia in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too.